Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful buttercream. A lot of people complained about their buttercream sweating and melting out, so I decided to make this recipe especially for you watching. So you have to follow to the end. If you're new to my channel, this is the first time of coming to this channel, click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Don't forget to like this video. Let's start. For this American buttercream, we need 2 kg of ice and sugar. 1 pack is 1 kg. Yes, we have 2 kg. We have 500 grams of margarine. 1 pack is 250 grams. So if you're going for 1 kg ice and sugar, you will be using your 250 grams of margarine. But now we're using 500 because we're going to work with 2 kg of ice and sugar. First, we'll be creaming our butter. I'll be using my standing mixer for this. Feel free to use your turning stick to cream. Take your time to sieve your ice and sugar. Make sure to cream your margarine till it's looking pearled or it has already doubled in size before you start adding in your ice and sugar. Yes, this is what I'm looking for. You can see how white our ice and you're looking so creamy. Yes, this is exactly how yours needs to look like before you start adding your ice and sugar. Right now, I'll start adding my ice and sugar bit by bit, little at a time, as I incorporate. I'll be using vanilla flavor for this. You can measure yours with half tablespoon and add, and you start adding your water bit by bit as you mix. Don't forget to like my video. Feel free to comment, ask questions. Follow me on Instagram at Progressive Cakes. And if you're new to this channel, this is your first time of watching my video, click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Click on all notifications to be getting alerts of my newest video. Subscription is free, just for you to be getting alert of my newest video. You can see our buttercream is out, looking so beautiful and lovely. Thanks very much for watching this video. Thanks. Bye bye.